Because if these things intersect, it's got to intersect right there. Let me use a different color here. Right there. Now I project that back this way. And it's going to come back through. So we now know, let's see, I'm hitting line CD, right? Now I got to establish visibility. Oh, I know what it is here. 1 second. Now when I project that back, okay, let me just kind of create it. Let's say I hit right here. Does the plane intersect the line?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. It intersects it right at that point. What if we project that point back and it hits right here? Does XY hit plane ABCD? No, because it's outside space. So they don't. There is no pierce point. So in essence, once you have that, I will tell you it does intersect. When you project it right, it's about right here. This is your pierce point. Now, once you say you got the pierce point, okay, it's right there, and then I'll project it down this way also. Okay? And so let's say it's right there. Now, once you do that, you're not done. Is it coming into the paper like this, or is it coming in like this? Is there a way for me to determine how it's coming in? Yeah. Yeah, don't I have a way to tell that? Look at that point right there. There's CD, there's XY. Can I project this straight down? What do I hit first, XY or CD?
XY.
Remember, CD is clear down there. I hit XY, so at this point, XY is on top, right? Then can't I look at this point, AB and XY?
Mm-hmm.
Project that down. I'm going to hit, I hit AB first. So here, AB is on top. So now I know how it's coming in. It's actually coming in like that. Where this is on top, it pierces the plane at this point, and it's underneath the plane coming off this side. So in essence, we're bringing depth to it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you can see how these things are interacting together.
Are we going to draw that then? Showing that? How do you?
The pierce points and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we determine the pierce points, but then you're going to project that to show?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, we're
Establishing.
analyzing our views.
Oh, so we're just analyzing, we're not going to draw that.
Yeah, so if we know the pierce points here, remember this is my front view.
Yeah.
So I have width and height. So, you know, maybe correlate this to a floor that we're taking a pipe through or a wall. Okay? Since this is a front view, we could then dimension that location. I can say, hey, come over from the plant 2 feet and up 1.5 feet. Cut yourself a 6-inch hole. That's where the pipe's going. That's why we do this. Process of establishing how you are looking at the objects in a 2-dimensional drawing. Intersections and visibility. Any questions on that? Okay. Again, we're only going to do this one day, 2 worksheets, just so you got it stuffed in your memory cells somewhere in case it comes back to haunt you someday. And you pull these back out and say, oh, I remember doing this. Jump into 15. There it is. Reteach yourself. Tomorrow we'll get into a little bit more active drawing type, might be the way to say it. Developments. Okay, these are a great way to handle really weird shapes and get them built. All right, in essence, that's just what I wanted to cover today. You got 2 worksheets. While we're fresh on them, let's do them today. Let's turn them in before the end of today. Now, I do need to get a little feel on where people are at on drawings. We had G11 was due. How many people are done with G12? Can I see a show of hands? G12. Yeah, 3/4 of you, G13, 14. You're doing this on all of them, Cheryl.
Well, they're all almost done.
Okay. How many people are attempted 16? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I think tomorrow I'll draw G16. I'll do developments. We'll take about an hour break, and then if you're interested in 16, I'll set it up and draw parts of it tomorrow. I know tomorrow's a short day. I might kind of, I'd like to do it today, but I know Gabe, you're doing it. You're gone this afternoon. Should I do it today? Well, I'll at least get through, let me do half of it today. I'll do the important part and get it set up. Because once you got the thing set up, you're pretty golden on it. So I'll do that starting about 11 o'clock. Probably take me about a half hour to get it set up and show you how things work with it. All right, there'll be some more drawings due. Pay attention to the board up here. Let's get rolling. There will be 2 other drawings that go with tomorrow's lecture. We're going to do 2 development drawings. I got 2 plus an extra credit. Any questions for me? Okie doke. I'll get everything back to you today that's out there. I know we have some worksheets that I haven't gotten back to you yet. I'll get those to you today. Thank you for your time. Rest of the day insurance.